So when you guys get an in-home consultation, this is what happens. Me and my team come out to visit you guys, check out your space, check out your inspiration photos, and look at what you guys are trying to do. That way we can get a good feeling of the project and where we're gonna be working in that space. We have a bedroom, bathroom, wet bar, and then a second room for toys, office, and then a family room, one big room for family, game room, all that. If you wanted to keep the cost down and use that as the extra storage or a gaming toy room over there to save the money on a window well, but if you want to do a window well exchange for egress, that window well would be changed at about $2,100. So sometimes on these in-home consultations, clients will ask me, how could something be done? And I tell them and I give them other ideas. So basically giving them free information of going, hey, if you don't do this, you can do this. If you don't move this wall, you can save this. And we really able to shift their money around into better products and better areas of part of the house where they didn't understand what the other contractors telling them that's what they can do and only want to do. We kind of look at all around price, budget, and how much can we get for the money and what can we do that's different than just doing one thing. And then I would go ahead and probably open up this whole staircase. So we can cut this completely back. We do a railing there or a half wall there. Yeah, kind of get it nice and opened up. We could possibly even open up both sides. So it really opens up this area when you first come down. Yeah, we do a lot of work up here, so we're always running back and forth here. So we want to make sure you have a good experience. So after your in-home consultation, if you guys decide to move forward with us, what we do is we get another appointment and come out and we draw your entire space up and measure it up and get it ready for you to come to our office and visit us to show you your estimate with your 3D drawing. Put a countertop there, pull out trash can with 2 trash cans in it, and then we just cement right there. So guys, after this video, if you want an in-home consultation, reach out to my office, give us a call, and we'll be seeing you soon.